Something is out there. NASA knows. They are not telling us. Yet. The space agency, our window to the stars, has found something. It is big. It is in deep space, far beyond our small world. But the details? They are locked away, tighter than a drum. This silence is loud. It echoes across the globe. It sparks a fire in our minds. What have they seen? What truth is waiting to be unveiled from the cosmic dark? The universe has whispered a secret. NASA heard it. Now, we all lean in, waiting for them to share. The anticipation is a powerful force pulling us toward the unknown. Imagine the scene. Scientists huddled around screens. Data streams in. Numbers, images, signals from the void. Then a gasp. A discovery so profound it stops them in their tracks. Is it a new planet, a strange star, or something more? NASA has a history of big news. Moon landings, Mars rovers, pictures of galaxies billions of light years away. Amazing stuff. But this feels different. The quiet is unusual. So what kind of cosmic treasure could NASA be hiding? Let's speculate. Could it be an exoplanet? A world orbiting a distant star? Not just any exoplanet, one with signs of an atmosphere, maybe even water. The ingredients for life as we know it. Imagine, a pale blue dot far away but hinting at neighbors. This would be huge. Are we alone? This could be the answer. Or at least, the beginning of an answer. A very exciting one. The search for habitable worlds is a key NASA goal. Perhaps they have finally hit the jackpot in that grand cosmic lottery. Then there is the possibility of an unknown astronomical phenomenon. The universe is a strange place, full of things we don't understand. Dark matter, dark energy, black holes eating stars. Weird. Maybe they have found something entirely new. Something unexpected, a new type of star, a strange cosmic explosion, a ripple in space-time, something that makes scientists scratch their heads. And rewrite books. These discoveries push the boundaries of physics, our understanding. They remind us how much more there is to learn, how vast our ignorance. The cosmos is always ready to surprise us with its creativity. It's a wild, wonderful, and sometimes baffling place to explore. And then the biggest what-if of all. How would NASA find such a thing, with amazing tools, our eyes on the sky, telescopes, bigger and better than ever? The James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST. It's a marvel. It sees an infrared light, peering through dust across vast distances. JWST can study the atmospheres of exoplanets, looking for biosignatures, signs of life, gases that shouldn't be there, unless life made them. It is a prime suspect for making this mysterious discovery. Its capabilities are revolutionizing astronomy as we speak. It's like we've been given a new, sharper set of cosmic glasses, and the universe is slowly coming into clearer focus. But let's not forget the old guard, the Hubble Space Telescope. For decades, Hubble has given us breathtaking views, iconic images. It still works, still makes discoveries. Like the Opal program. Hubble watches the outer planets in our own solar system. Jupiter, Saturn. It sees their storms, their changing seasons, their mysteries. Hubble's long life means a huge archive of data for new finds. Sometimes discoveries are made by looking back at old information, with new eyes, or new techniques. The universe hides its secrets well. These veteran instruments are still vital to our cosmic quest. They are the shoulders upon which new telescopes stand. And more eyes are coming. But telescopes alone are not enough. The data is too much. Imagine trying to find one special grain of sand on all Earth's beaches. That's what astronomers face. So much information, so many stars. This is where artificial intelligence steps in. AI, smart computers. AI algorithms can sift through data faster than any human. They can spot patterns, anomalies, things we might miss. NASA uses AI for many things. It's a game changer for space. Think of AI systems like Aegis. It helps rovers pick science targets, or Spock, which classifies soil and objects on Mars. Very clever. AI is not just about finding things, it helps us explore. Autonomous navigation. That means spacecraft can steer themselves, like the Perseverance rover on Mars. It uses enhanced autonav and terrain relative navigation. It sees the ground. It avoids danger. This allows for faster, safer exploration of other worlds. AI also helps plan missions, like the Aspen Mission Planner. Section 5. Footprints Beyond Earth, NASA's latest leaps. This mysterious deep space discovery isn't happening in a vacuum. NASA is busy, very busy, pushing frontiers on many fronts. Look at the moon. The Artemis program is in full swing. Soon, astronauts will fly around the moon again, after 50 years. Commercial partners are landing on the moon too, like intuitive machines. New lunar landers are being built, by SpaceX, by Blue Origin. We are going back to the moon, to stay, to learn, to prepare, for Mars. That's the next giant leap for humankind. These missions build momentum, experience, and new technologies. Mars itself continues to reveal its secrets. Thanks to NASA, the Ingenuity helicopter. What a marvel! It flew on another planet. Its mission ended in early 2024, but it showed us what's possible. The Maven spacecraft has studied Mars's atmosphere for 10 years, learning how Mars lost its water, why it became cold and dry. And Perseverance, the rover, it's looking for signs of ancient life, using AI to navigate, to choose rocks to study, to collect samples. These samples might one day return to Earth, for close inspection. Section 6. The science world waits, a universe on hold. When NASA hints at something big, the science world listens, closely. Scientists are by nature curious, and a bit competitive. They want to know, they want to understand, they want to verify. This current silence from NASA, it's creating a buzz, a big one. Emails are flying, online forums are humming, phones are ringing. What is it? When will they tell us? Is it real? The tradition in science is openness, sharing data, peer review. That's how science works, how it corrects itself, how it moves forward. Discoveries are announced, papers are published, others try to replicate. NASA usually follows this path. They share their amazing finds. The first images from JWST, the landing of Perseverance on Mars. These were global events, shared openly, celebrated widely, so this period of quiet is notable. It suggests something special. Perhaps the data is incredibly complex, requiring more analysis, or the implications are so profound, they need careful thought. Before any public announcement, NASA needs to be absolutely certain. A false alarm on something huge would damage credibility. Section 7. Whispers on Earth, Public Wonder and Worry. It's not just scientists who are intrigued, the public is captivated. NASA's news, or lack of it, has spread like wildfire. People are talking, in coffee shops, around dinner tables, online. What has NASA found? The question hangs in the air, everywhere. Space exploration touches something deep within us. A sense of wonder, a connection to something vast, something bigger than ourselves. We are a curious species. We want to know what's out there. This mystery feeds that curiosity. It fuels our imagination. Is it aliens? A new home for humanity? A warning from the stars? The speculation runs wild. That's human nature. Social media is buzzing with theories, some plausible, some less so. But it shows how much people care, how invested they are in the adventure of space, in the search for answers. NASA's missions are often funded by taxpayers, by the public. So there's a sense of ownership, a feeling of shared destiny. Section 8. The burden of knowing ethics of a silent sky. With great knowledge comes great responsibility. NASA knows this. If they have found something truly transformative, what are the ethics? The ethics of knowing, the ethics of telling, or not telling. NASA follows principles of responsible AI. This ethical framework is broad. It applies to how they gather data and how they share it. Transparency is a core value, but so is caution, and public safety. Imagine the discovery is confirmed evidence of intelligent alien life. The societal impact would be, well, unimaginable. Truly, religions, philosophies, our sense of security, all would be shaken. Is humanity ready for such news? That's a profound question. Some say yes, we are resilient, we can adapt, we deserve to know. Others worry about fear, about social disruption, about the unknown. There is no easy answer, no simple playbook for this scenario. NASA officials must be wrestling with these very questions. Section 9, To Infinity and Beyond, Why We Keep Looking Up. This current mystery, this undisclosed NASA finding is a reminder of why we explore, why we look up at the night sky. It's in our DNA, to wonder, to seek, to understand. The universe is vast, it is ancient, it is full of secrets, and we, on our small blue planet, are driven to uncover them. Each discovery, whether it's a new moon or a new galaxy, adds a piece to the grand cosmic puzzle, a puzzle of who we are, where we came from, and where we might be going. This quest is fundamental to the human spirit. It defines us. Space exploration is not just about satisfying curiosity, it's practical. It drives innovation. Technology developed for space benefits us on Earth. GPS, medical imaging, weather forecasting, so many things. It inspires young people to study science, math, engineering, to dream big, to solve hard problems, to build a better future. It also gives us perspective. seeing Earth from